CoSpaces Edu tutorial. How to make a unicorn disappear by Mary. First, you have to add the unicorn. Tap the left icon that says library. There will be a sign that says animals. Tap there. Then scroll through to find the unicorn. Then drag it to your space to add it. Second, you have to close the library. Just tap the library icon again. Now you have to double tap the unicorn. You will see an icon that says mask. Tap it. The gray boxes will go away and you'll be able to see the outline of the unicorn. So over here, these are the gray boxes, and right over here is mask. You just tap that and the two gray boxes will go away. Lastly, look up at the top right corner. There's a play button. Tap that. Then your unicorn will disappear.